To create a payment link in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin account and navigating to the Orders page. From there, click on Create Order to initiate the process. In the Create Order page, select the products you want to include in the order and add them to the cart. You can also add any applicable discounts or taxes. Once you have added all the necessary items, click on the Next button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter the customer's information, including their name and email address. You can also choose to send the payment link to the customer via email or copy and paste the link manually. To send the payment link, click on the Send Invoice button and select the payment method you want to use. Shopify will generate a unique payment link that you can share with the customer. The payment link can be used by the customer to complete the payment online. The link will direct the customer to a secure checkout page where they can enter their payment information and complete the transaction. It is essential to note that the payment link will only be active for a specified period, usually a few days, depending on your Shopify settings. After the link expires, the customer will no longer be able to use it to complete the payment. To manage and track payment links, navigate to the Orders page and click on the More Actions drop-down menu next to the order. From there, you can view the payment link, resend the invoice, or cancel the order if necessary. Best practices for creating payment links in Shopify include setting clear payment terms and deadlines, providing accurate product information, and ensuring that the customer has a secure and seamless checkout experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively create and manage payment links in Shopify, streamlining your sales process and improving customer satisfaction.